Because of Winn-Dixie test. Number 1, at the beginning of the story, how does Opal feel about her father? A, she calls him her best friend. B, she doesn't know who her father is. C, she calls him the preacher because they aren't close. D, she likes her mom better. Number 2, what does Opal do so that she can earn Winn-Dixie a red collar and a leash from the pet store? A, she agrees to work at the pet store to earn it. B, she asks her father for money. C, she steals money from the Dewberry Boys. D, she decides to give up. 3, who is Gloria Dump? A witch. B, the librarian. C, someone who goes to church with Opal. D, an older lady who becomes Opal and Winn-Dixie's friend. 4, how does Miss Franny obtain the Herman W. Block Memorial Library? A, she bought it. B, it was a birthday gift from her father. C, she doesn't own it. D, a friend gave it to her. 5, how does Winn-Dixie help Opal make new friends? A, Winn-Dixie's so friendly. B, Winn-Dixie looks like he can smile, which amuses them. C, Winn-Dixie's a good dog. D, all of the above. 6, what does pathological mean in the following sentence? Winn-Dixie has a pathological fear of thunderstorms. A, he loves thunderstorms. B, he is frightened beyond reason. C, he doesn't care about thunderstorms. D, he wants to go outside and play when it rains. 7, what does the bottle tree represent in Gloria Dump's backyard? A, all of her accomplishments that she's proud of. B, wind chimes. C, they don't represent anything, they're just decorations. D, her ghost, all the mistakes she has made. 8, what does the litmus lozenge make people feel when they eat it? A, sweet and sad. B, glad and mad. C, surprised and upset. D, happy and excited. 9, what happened to Amanda's brother Carson? A, he ran away. B, he drowned. C, he moved away. D, he disappeared. 10, at the end of the story, when Opal thinks she lost Winn-Dixie, where did they end up finding him? A, in the grocery store. B, outside under a chair. C, inside Gloria Dump's house. D, they never found him. Short answers. You must write these in complete sentences. Be sure to answer all parts of the question. 1, who is Otis? And do you think he is a good or bad person? And tell me why. Pause this recording to answer, then press proceed. Number 2 is a bonus. There's 10 things that Opal tells her father about her mother. What are 5 of those things? Pause this video, answer the question, then resume. 3, what do Sweetie Pie and Otis bring to the party? What food and drink does Gloria Dump make? 4, what does Gloria Dump tell Opal about loving something? 5, did you enjoy this story? Name and describe one life lesson that you can learn from Opal and Winn-Dixie.